Welcome to November. After the best Floraltober ever, we are going to go a little bit deeper this month. We are going to take a look at the magical world of aromatherapy, essential oils, and personal blends to uplift your mood and create mindful practices throughout your days. I want you to become fully present about your body's needs and also enjoy living amongst the pages of your sketchbook journal. We are going to create a little journal like this where we'll add our recipes and bring our ideas together. We will create blends, learn about the essential oils, learn how to use aromatherapy, and also discover all kinds of creative habits throughout this month. Now, I'm really excited about what we are going to do, and each of the weeks will focus on a different way to embody this healing essence of essential oils and also guide you on a personal aromatherapy journey that you get to do at home. I want to show you how you can enhance self-care with a little bit of essential oil wellness, and to use essential oil safely, of course, effectively and with purpose. Aromatherapy and your personal journey here with the Self-Mastery membership is always a priority as we become aware of our body's needs and also become responsible for our own healing. I want you to inhale the sweet essences of these floral essential oils and the herbal ones and create something beautiful for yourself, your home, and your environment. In week 1, we will look at self-healing with essential oils and go over some of those mindful things we get to do for relaxation. In week 2, before I forget, this month you also get a new printable, a couple of pages long, and every week we will supplement those with new contents so that you could build your little booklet for the month. And during that you will also build your mind and your body in week 2, where we will create personal blends. In week 3 we are going to take a look at uplifting your emotional support through essential oils and what you could do to transform your mood in seconds. In week 4 we are going to bring together our virtual gratitude retreat as we prepare a space and also go back into our journals and discover more ways to look at the world through the lens of positive emotional stability, and also to give you a mindful way to live a lifestyle where beauty and abundance is all around us, thereby personalizing your lifestyle for a more balanced life. So come on, join us so we can follow along and take really good care of ourselves this month.